cleaning my rainwater collection system. So it's spring and it's time to clean my rainwater collection system. I cleaned it last spring, and over the summer and in the fall we had a lot of debris and stuff. You can see how dirty it is inside. There's a lot of junk inside. That's from the all the leaves and stuff from the roof. So I'm gonna clean it up, and I have a new filter that's gonna help reduce this the amount of junk that we have inside. But let me clean it up. I'll show you guys later on the filter that I have. So let's open the second one and check. The second one looks a little bit better than the first one, but it still needs to be clean. You can see it still needs to be clean. So we're gonna try to clean it up and then have our rainwater system, rain barrels looking much better after this. So let's do that. So I made a mixture of baking soda, vinegar, and dish soap, and I'm just gonna spray all over the container and just let it sit for a few minutes before I get back to it. So I spray the second one, and then just making sure that this solution sits on it for about 10 minutes, and then we'll come back and clean it up and make sure that at least it's much better. So let's get some of this stuff done. So I'm gonna connect my vacuum and so that I can see if I can vacuum suction some of this stuff out. So I'm gonna use the vacuum to vacuum some of the gunk at the bottom. Even though I tried and it wasn't long enough, I was able to get a little bit, but I'll try to dilute it a little bit, and then we'll try again later. So now I'm just using my regular hose to clean up, trying to clean up the sides and the bottom of the tank. My pressure washer just broke on me, so I wasn't able to use it. In the past couple of years I've been using my pressure washer to clean it, and usually does a great job, but for some reason my pressure washer has an issue, so I couldn't use it this year. So I'm gonna try to see if I can fix it or replace it for the next year. But right now I'm just gonna use what I have, which is my hose and I'm just use this the pressure that I get from the hose to clean it, and then use the vacuum shop vac to vacuum it out like I'm doing right here. So I'm just started vacuuming the most of the junk that we have at the bottom right now. So the vacuum is doing a great job of sucking up all the dirt at the bottom, which makes it much easier to empty the rest of the container and clean the rest of the container. So most of it is gone on the first one, so I'm gonna do the same thing on the second one, and then we're just gonna show you how it looks right now. So we cleaned both of them, and let me just show you how it looks inside compared to what it was at the beginning. It's much better, not where I want it to be, but it's much better. So all the junk and all the dirt is out. There's a little bit of dirt at the bottom or on the sides that I can clean that later on, but right now I'm just gonna do a final cleanup of all the junk in that barrel over there, and then we're gonna be able to go to the other one and show you both of them at the end of it. Let me know in the comments below if you have rain barrels. Let me know in the comments below, and also let me know if you clean your rain barrels regularly, every year, every 2 years, and what's your process of cleaning your rain barrels if you have one. And also let me know what you think about my process of doing it. So right now I'm just using I have a car brush that I use to clean the car. So I'm using the car brush to scrub, at least scrub the sides and the bottom of the rain barrel, so that way it might help take out a little bit more of the dirt that are in there. So I used it on both of them to clean the dirt. You can see the first one's much better. All the junk is out, all the dirt is out. It looks much better, and you can see the amount of water that came out and the amount of dirt that came out. Look at the dirt that came out from it. The majority of it already came out with the shop vac. So this is the system that I got at the end of last year, and I've been using it since then. It's gonna be much better. It filters out all the debris and all the dirt from the roof. So it's not gonna be next year. It's not gonna be as bad as it is this year or as it's been the past couple of years. So that's the little gadget that I got. And if you want more information about that, let me know in the comments below. So a day after cleaning it, we had some rain, and you see it's full. Look at our. Let me just open this, and I'll show you how it looks. We are almost full with water, and it's not too bad. It looks much cleaner, so that's awesome. So at least, even though we use the rain barrel for gardening, at least we still want it to be clean. If you like the video, like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow for more videos like this. Thank you.